The gloves are coming off in Mashonaland East. The ruling party, Cadres, accusing Minister of National Housing and Social Amenities, Daniel Garwe, of weaponizing intimidation to consolidate power within ZANU-PF. Sabina mashoko buda pangwa ina chanukwa kunzi, Daniel Garwe now has been accused of intimidation as ZANU-PF youth wing pushback. Subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina mnauzere mobda mchinzi. In a strongly worded statement circulating on social media, one party member declared, Go and tell Daniel Garwe that ZANU-PF is not his property. He should not go around intimidating people. Enough is enough. The comments, publicly endorsed by Youth Minister and Politburo member Tinoda Machakaire, have thrown the spotlight on internal battles that threatened to destabilize the party's structures. Machakaire bluntly responded, Well said, and thank you, comrade, signaling open defiance against Garwe's alleged conduct. For many, these developments are not new. Accusations of intimidation and strong arm tactics have stalked ZANU-PF for decades, from the 2008 electoral violence in which opposition supporters were brutalized in what was dubbed Operation Mafutera Papi, to recent clashes over primary election dispute in provinces such as Manicaland and Midlands. The ruling party has often been accused of silencing dissent through fear. Even within its own ranks, ZANU-PF has seen senior figures accused of gatekeeping, manipulation, misaligning rivals under the guise of enforcing party discipline. Analysts say Garwe's case is the latest reminder that intimidation remains a weapon not only against the opposition but also against internal competitors. As the fallout continues, it remains to be seen whether the ZANU-PF leadership will discipline Garwe reign him or close ranks in silence. For grassroots members, however, the message is clear: the days of unchecked intimidation may be numbered. Doma developments are come the ruling party ZANU-PF kuchona kwanza wana Daniel Garwe amuri kuona these are the guys who are leading makozi ekuti mtukamiri wenyika masoda mnangagwa by extend his term to 2030. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro this fallout yakuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF. Inako message medu, so subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.